3 simple ingredients: feta, beets, and arugula. And we have an easy and healthy great starter or a salad. Let's make it. Have the beets cooked beforehand. Cut cooked beets into small cubes. Put them in a bowl. Dice the red onions and add them to the bowl with diced beets. Take a few branches of dill and mince finely without squeezing the greens too hard to keep them fresher. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the beets, onions, and dill and add some salt and pepper to taste. Mix all the ingredients and here you go. Your beet salsa is ready. Set it aside for a while. Next stage is to cut feta cheese into short blocks for frying. Coat all sides of the blocks with a generous amount of flour. Heat the pan for a few minutes. Add about 1 tablespoon of neutral flavor vegetable oil like grapeseed or sunflower oil. Let the oil heat about half a minute and start frying flour-coated feta sticks, flipping them to another side once you see the side you're frying turns golden. Don't let feta get brown as it will taste bitter. Once fried, remove feta blocks from the pan and place on a plate covered with paper towel to absorb the excess grease. Now my favorite part, plating. Take open flat plates of a medium size and put a good handful of arugula leaves in the center. Add 2 or 3 full tablespoons of beet salsa on top of arugula in the center of the plate. Carefully place 2 feta sticks on top of beet salsa. And just like that, your dish is complete. All you have to do is grab a fork and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share with your friends, comment in the section below. I will be happy to know what you guys think about this dish. See you later!